Guess what, beautiful people? I have another job for you guys. Work from home job. You can go to the website, which is ttecjobs.com, ttecjobs.com. It says if you're looking for a reliable, fulfilling, flexible job that you can do from the comfort of your own home, then ttec at home could be the perfect solution. They are looking for friendly and self-motivated individuals to join their team. As a ttec home associate, you'll use their technology to support and assist customers with a variety of customer service and technical needs. This could include helping customers over the phone, via chat, or on social media. Best of all, you can do it all while wearing your slippers or flip-flops. How cool is that? And if it sounds like the perfect job for you, hop on the link below to view their current ttec at home opportunities. So you'll just go to that website and you'll scroll down like it's doing on here. They're just showing you some of the people that work there right now. And then you'll go ahead and click apply and go from there. Then of course you can always go to their frequently asked questions, which is the highlighted orange looking section there. Click on that and then see what kind of questions people are normally asking them about. Like these questions right here. What is ttec at home? Do I need to know how to use a PC to become a ttec at home associate? What are the minimum technical requirements? And you can go through all of this. Can I use Apple or Mac computer? I think the answer to that one is no right now, but you never know what they're going to do in the future. These are just basically go to the website, take a look at it, and if there's something that interests you, go for it. Yay! And that's ttecjobs.com. I don't have a link for this one, but I hope you guys get on there and become successful with it. By the way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you see this on my YouTube channel. Thanks, and y'all have a wonderful night.